Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Pardot lists and assets before changes, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Pardot lists and assets, log in to your Pardot account. Navigate to the Prospects tab in the main menu. Click on Lists to access your existing lists. Select each list you want to backup. Export your list by clicking the Export List button. Choose the format you prefer, typically CSV is recommended. Save the exported file to your local drive in a designated folder. Next, move to the Marketing tab on the main menu. Select Emails to view your email assets. Open each email template you wish to backup. Click on the Export option for the email. Save these files in your previously designated folder. Now, return to the Marketing tab and select Forms. Access each form you want to backup. Export the form configurations by using the relevant options provided. Continue this process for landing pages under the Landing Pages section. Review all folders to ensure that every essential asset is backed up. Lastly, create a list of all backed up items for future reference. This will help you track what assets you have saved and where they are located. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.